In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use generative AI in Adobe Express. We'll move from a blank page to a custom AI-generated image and place it directly into your design. Everything happens inside Adobe Express, so you won't need any extra tools. Start on the Adobe Express homepage. Look for Generate with AI and choose Generate Image. This opens the workspace where the magic happens and gives you a dedicated prompt box to describe exactly what you want. In that prompt box, type a detailed description of the image you're imagining. The more specific you are, the better the results. Include the subject, the setting, the mood, any colors or textures you want, and how you'd like it framed. For example, you might write, "Vintage sunset beach poster with bold typography." You can expand on that with phrases like warm orange and pink gradient sky, grainy print texture, and centered silhouette of a palm tree. Think of your prompt as creative direction. Clarity helps the system interpret your vision. If you have them, you can add reference images to influence style and composition. This step is optional, but it's great when you want a consistent look across a project or you're matching a brand aesthetic. Choose images that reflect color palettes, textures, or layout cues you want the AI to echo. Make sure you have rights to any images you upload and that they're relevant to the vibe you're aiming for. Next, pick a style or content type if that option is available in your version. This might include choices like photorealistic, illustration, poster, or other categories, and it helps guide the output toward a particular look. Once you've set your prompt and any style preferences, click Generate. Give it a moment to process. If the first pass is close but not perfect, consider refining your prompt with clearer adjectives or a simpler composition before generating again. You'll see multiple results appear. Preview them and choose the one that best fits your concept. Look for details like color harmony, legibility if text is implied, and overall balance. When you've found the one you like, insert it into your design. It will drop onto your canvas, ready to place with your existing elements. From here, you can position it, scale it to fit your layout, and align it with other layers to keep your composition clean and cohesive. And that's it. By describing your vision, optionally guiding it with reference images, choosing a style and generating, you can quickly produce a unique image and place it right into your Adobe Express design.